This is how it starts. First they take our stuff, then it's our jobs.
But we don't work, Hector.
I've always looked at the kingdom as species neutral.
Is this what you were so worried about? Show me a lemur who doesn't fear change. I mean, it's what we do, man.
King Julien, there's something else Maurice needs to tell you.
That's right, Your Majesty.
Lemurs of Madagascar, there is nothing to fear from our allies. The crocodiles are protecting us against the Fusa. The rats are doing all the post-party cleanup. It's win-win. Okay, good talk.
What about the snakes? The communal showers are full of them. Those snakes have no boundaries. Even my beverage? Great. It tastes like snake now.
The snakes have been keeping the monkeys out of our mango trees.
What are you doing to protect our children from the hawk problem?
What hawk problem?
Butterfish, help me!
Just tell him to go limp, baby. Bird don't like a dead meal. I gotta go to work.
I have a status report on your statue, King Koto.
Yes. When will it be finished?
If everything goes as planned, the unpaid interns should complete it in 1 week.
Excellent news. Not only will I have a giant tribute to myself, but I can finally get rid of all the interns.
All of them, sir?
Yes, all of them. There's no point in keeping them around once they've served their purpose.
Sir, do you think it's a good idea to discuss these matters in front of... that?
Oh, relax, Captain. My jester is clearly an imbecile. I doubt he even understands where he is.
Oh, we understand. We understand everything.
Now you've got a big old serving of party on a sizzling hot plate of nasty. You got it nasty. Do you see it sizzle? Do you see it sizzle? A dizzle, dizzle, sizzle. Nasty.
Wow, Rob, this is kind of amazing. Just a few tweaks and you went from all booma boomala to all boomala shakalaka. How'd you do it?
I just hear things better. I had my old ears replaced with dolphin eardrums. They work extra great.
Dolphin ears. Wow! That is just so Rob.
It's good to be back, old friend. Now let's get this party really started.
Hello, and welcome back to Still Life with Feet.
No, Mort!
Oh, it's very important to get just a hint of rosy pink on King Julien's toe webbing.
Huh? Give me that painting right now! Now, you demented imp!
It's unfinished! No, don't touch those dials, please! Oh, I'll do anything you want. I have no self-esteem.
No, you can't.
I'm an only child.
Oh, golly, I think I swallowed some.
No means no, Mort. Out of my spotlight.
No. She's gonna blow.